Never let another breathtaking aerial shot be lost to a full drone once you learn how to effortlessly get your important Dropbox files onto your Parrot drone. First, ensure you have the Dropbox app installed and logged in on your smartphone or tablet. The same device you'll be using to control your Parrot drone. Take a moment to organize your important videos and photos within Dropbox into easily accessible folders. Think of this as creating your mission-ready aerial library. Next, power on your Parrot drone and connect it to your controller once your drone is ready for flight and connected to the app. Navigate to the drone's settings or flight planning section within the Parrot app. Look for an option related to storage management or syncing. Within the drone's app interface, you should find a pathway to connect external cloud storage. Select the option to link your Dropbox account. You'll be prompted to log into your Dropbox account again via a secure pop-up or browser window. Grant the necessary permissions for the Parrot app to access your Dropbox files. This allows the app to browse and transfer content from your cloud storage directly to your drone. Now, you'll see an interface within the Parrot app that mirrors your Dropbox folders. Browse through your organized Dropbox content. Here, select the specific videos and photos you want to transfer to your drone's internal storage or compatible SD card. Simply tap on the files or folders you wish to transfer, and then initiate the download to your Parrot drone. The Parrot app will download these selected files directly from your Dropbox account, effectively putting your cloud-stored memories onto your drone. This process ensures you have your pre-selected aerial footage readily available on your drone for immediate review, editing, or even transfer back to other devices. It's a fantastic way to manage your growing library of aerial adventures and make sure your most treasured memories are always within reach, thanks to the power of cloud storage and seamless integration.